Looking for Jojo Siwa makeup for this Christmas? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, this Jojo Siwa 7-pack lip balm is perfect your little girl who just wants a little sparkle in her life. With 7 different flavors to choose from, your child will never get bored by Jojo Siwa. Number 2, Jojo Siwa 7-pack lip gloss. Fruit flavored lip glosses, flavor, berry, watermelon, pineapple, mango, cupcake, strawberry, grape, by Jojo Siwa. Number 3, Jojo Siwa Cupcake Flavored Iridescent Lip Gloss. Cupcake flavored, features unicorn with rhinestones, flecks of glitter in lip gloss. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and gift ideas. Get yours now.